We are going to the vintage 1971 Dover freight elevator at Harrington Tower. And we got Hanny today.
Hi.
Go and press the button.
Sure. It's coming. This is a beautiful piece of beauty. Here it comes.
Can you do me a favor, hold my camera, get the doors open?
I'm home filling with both. Beautiful. Oh, nice, and it just re-leveled.
Yeah, I know, dude.
Okay, I'll film you closing. You jumped up to get the door to close.
Whoa, these doors are so heavy. Oh God, this is heavy.
Let me try taking a gander at it.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Here.
Please, yeah,
Here.
the door's so heavy.
Here, can you hold my phone too?
Sure.
But be careful with it. Just hold it like that.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Watch. Oh my God! There. That's the heaviest freight door I've ever lifted in my entire life.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go on the B. And it works. Good. What do you think of this?
This is a beautiful elevator.
And you want to set it up when the elevator stops?
Yes. Wait, can you get in the building from here? We don't need to.
I wouldn't really get off.
No, we're not going to. Yeah, we're not gonna get off here. It looks kind of sketchy. This is D?
Yes, that's where we're getting off. You want to do the doors? Or
Yeah, I'll do them.
Alright.
I think I can do them. Okay, just be careful. Thank you.
You're welcome. And can I close it from the outside?
What?
Can I close it from the outside?
Yeah, you can.
Lift that latch up. You like jiggle the elevator car. Plop. Ploppy. Bang. Alright, can you hold my camera while I wrestle with these doors shut?
Sure. Oh, now it's focusing on Jim's camera, not.
Oh my God, dude!
That looks funny.
Oh my God!
That looks funny.
Oh my God.
That'll be it.